Haka jingmi jong Hebrew lane ki ken hon ki bakan tho ya ka sarkar jala haba ka pen long ya ki no ki tamasa ba pher ka jala kham tam halor ka tamasa cherry blossom kalapen long yo mentri rangba ka jala Conrad ke Sangma ban ai ka jingpen shai halor ka ni haba kran chikilat pathai khubor haka no phai sngi jong ka life way tarik risau araja arpusan u Conrad ke Sangma ulaong bahaba phai sha ka roi ka par ka sarkar jala ka khmi bnya ya baro ki liang daga bakdo bala dab ban the da ki hajar kulur haka be dei bat ka pule puthi ka kot ka khia nalor ki we pat bat kumta ka kam jongok kai parthairu ka don kam yala ka jong ka bha nalor kata ulaong ru ba ka jing penlong ya kita masa ka sarkar ka Jingïohnong hadu sansha na ka jing pulut ka bapen I ba ka don kita masa ki ba ai kam ai jam ya ki nong song snong bat kum juru ki kentiu ya ka jalla.
When we look at development, then we have to see every aspect of development. And, I've shown it to you in many different occasions that from the government's perspective, we are spending and our spending is increased in almost every sector. And therefore, if you look at education today, we spend 3,500 crores every year on education. If you look at health, we are touching almost 1,500 crores every year on health. If you look at, PWD road projects, it crosses 2,000 crores every year. So every sector, we talk of water supply, more than 1,000 crores is spent every year. If you talk of, the sectors of sports, we are every year additional projects worth about 300-400 crores has been taken up every year, additional projects. So as a government, we budget funds for every different sector and different activity. Now, obviously, concerns would be there if we neglect certain sectors and we spend too much on different sector, which could be of concern. But as I've just stated in my brief, points that I made, that as a government we plan the whole thing. So the 30,000 crores that we spend as part of the entire budget is given to different departments, and hence tourism has its share, and festivals within the tourism have got its share. So everything is budgeted in a very balanced manner to ensure that all the departments and all the areas get the kind of support and the kind of financial expenditure that they deserve. So that's number one. So it's not that we are cutting the school budget and then giving tourism or having festivals. Schools and education gets 3,500 crores of our budget, and therefore funds are put in every sector because every sector has to grow. Second point is that we have always believed, and its numbers have shown, that even the last many years, I think last year's number, I don't have exact numbers with me right now, but roughly about 20 crores plus minus was spent, and we managed to get a return of almost 130 plus crores based on the investments that we made. So we got almost 5 times the return on the investment that was made during the cherry blossom time in terms of revenues going directly to the people and people benefiting. So these are clear numbers which show that concerts and economies around festivals are productive, and they prove that they do create jobs, and they prove that it does bring up the brand value of the state. Today, Shillong is one of the most most sought after destinations and most searched destination on the internet because of festivals and programs like these. And when people come for festivals like these have an impact on the overall larger tourism sector, which then leads to, as I said, more tourists coming in the rest of the year, and also leads to, as I said, more job creation as well as higher revenue for the people.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.